In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Fresha link in just about 5 minutes. First things first, for those of you who might not be familiar, Fresha is a fantastic platform that offers solutions for business management, particularly in the wellness and beauty industry. If you're a professional or run a business in this sector, having a direct online booking link can significantly streamline your booking process, making it easier for your clients to access your services. Let's dive straight into how you can secure your very own Fresha link, and by the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to make your services more accessible online. The initial step is to navigate to Fresha specifically designed for business use. The Fresha for Business webpage is where all the magic starts. It's essentially your gateway to accessing various business management tools offered by Fresha. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, your next step is to log in. You'll see the login button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this will take you closer to accessing your unique Fresha link. After clicking on login, you'll need to select the option that says Fresha for Professionals. This option is tailored for individuals like you, professionals seeking to leverage Fresha's online booking and business management features. Now, for the simplicity of the process, you have the option to continue with Google. This is a fantastic feature for those who prefer a quicker login process without the need to remember another password. Simply click on Continue with Google, then choose your Google account. This step is pretty straightforward if you have your Google account already logged in on your device. Select the account you wish to use for Fresha, and you're one step closer to getting your link. Next, you will want to head over to the online booking section. The link to this section can usually be found easily on the Fresha platform. Here you're starting to get into the nuts and bolts of setting up your online booking capabilities. Once you're in the online booking section, look for the link builder option. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and designed to help you create a custom link for your business or services. After finding the link builder, you're going to want to click on Create Link. This button initiates the actual creation of your unique Fresha booking link. It's the step where things really start to get exciting because you're about to generate a direct line to your services for your clients. Interestingly enough, after you click on Create Link once, you're going to do it again. Yes, you heard that right. Click on Create Link a second time because this part of the process ensures that your link is tailored just right, catering to your specific services or business needs. Finally, the moment of truth, copying your link. Once your unique Fresha link is generated, you'll see an option to copy the link. This link is essentially your digital handshake to your clients, inviting them to book your services with ease whenever it's convenient for them. And just like that, you've got your Fresha link ready to be shared with the world. You can now integrate this link into your website, share it on your social media platforms, or include it in your email signature. Remember, the beauty of this digital era is that it's all about convenience and accessibility. By setting up your Fresha link, you're not only simplifying the process for your clients, but also setting your business apart as forward-thinking and user-friendly. A pro tip to consider: periodically check your Fresha link and settings to ensure everything is up to date. Businesses evolve, services get updated, and you want to make sure your Fresha link accurately reflects the current state of your offerings. There you have it. A straightforward guide to getting your Fresha link set up in no time at all. It's amazing how a simple link can significantly enhance your business's accessibility and operational efficiency. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you streamline your booking process and ultimately helps your business grow. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most of your digital tools.